Well, I probably don't have to tell you that so much of gardening is all about finding plants that are really good performers. And if you're looking for something that's tough and hardy, that's easy to grow, that's small and compact, that has gorgeous white flowers on it, and deer don't eat it, well, let me introduce you to Deutzia Yuki Snowflake. For here is a really beautiful, compact, growing, rounded shrub that in springtime, as you see, is literally covered with lots of these pristine white flowers that put on a terrific show above the bright green foliage. I said it was small and compact. Well, here's a plant that only grows at most about 2 foot high. In fact, if you trim it, you can probably keep it to about a foot or 18 inches. And talking about trimming, if you do have this in the garden and you want to trim it, you trim it after the flowers fade on it, because all of these flowers that you're looking at now were produced on shoots that grew out last year. So you need to let the shoots persist on it through the winter time, flower, and then get in as soon as it starts to go over and trim it back, and then you'll find it'll make lots of young fresh growth that then next year will come with all of these gorgeous flowers. Raised by Dr. Tom Rainey in North Carolina and introduced by proven winners, this is an exceptionally good, hardy, reliable, easy to grow shrub that we thoroughly recommend. This is Deutzia Yuki Snowflake.